is for dragon, who flies far away.
E is for elephant, big and round. F is for forest with trees all around.
G is for giraffe, stretching so tall. H is for hill, we climb and don't fall. We're going on adventure, come along today. It's from A to Z, we'll laugh and play. Pack your smile, we're on our way. It's an A to Z adventure day. I is for island with coconuts sweet. J is for jellyfish, glowing so neat.
K is for kite, flying high by the sea.
L is for lighthouse, it shines bright for me.
M is for mountain with snow on the top.
N is for nest, where the little birds hop.
O is for octopus, waving hello.
P is for pirate, with treasure in tow. Q is for quail, running fast on the ground. R is for river, where fish can be found. S is for safari, where lions will roar. T is for tiger, who's looking for more. U is for unicorn, shiny and bright.
V is for valley, all green in the light.
W is for whale, making waves in the bay. X is for xylophone, music to play.
Whoa, Y is for yacht, sailing under the moon.
Z is for zoo, we will visit it soon.
From A to Z, what a fun, happy day. Let's go again, hip, hip.